Welcome to Shri Medical College. Today we will explore the benefits of physiotherapy, how it can help you heal and recover. Physiotherapy, also known as physical therapy, is a form of healthcare that aims to improve movement and function in the body. It can treat musculoskeletal problems, back pain, neck pain, arthritis, neurological illnesses, stroke, multiple sclerosis, and cardiovascular and respiratory conditions, asthma, COPD. Physiotherapy is a form of alternative medicine that can assist restore a person's mobility and function after they've been hurt or have been diagnosed with a chronic illness. Physiotherapy is a broad field with many subspecialties that can be further subdivided by the modality of treatment. Most individuals require a combination of 2 or more physical treatment techniques. Physical therapy is helpful for those who have suffered accidents or diseases, and it is also very helpful for the elderly who are having difficulty moving around because of age-related concerns. It is important to note that physiotherapy is not just for non-athletes. Physical therapy aims to improve health and well-being by restoring normal function, encouraging healthy mobility, and promoting healthy lifestyle choices that lower the likelihood of further issues. Many medical professionals suggest beginning physical therapy when a patient's health problem is first diagnosed. It's typically considered a safer and more holistic approach to health problems. Physical therapy can be just as effective than more traditional methods in a wide variety of contexts. Physiotherapy is a highly beneficial specialist treatment for a wide range of medical issues. By employing specific physical procedures, we want to restore mobility, function, and range of motion to the affected area. The field of physiotherapy treats patients using scientifically proven medical methods and an in-depth understanding of how the human body works. Physiotherapy not only helps alleviate discomfort and restore mobility, but it also protects the harmed body component from further injury. People of all ages can reap the benefits of this practice, which include maintaining peak physical condition and protecting themselves from injury and sickness. The best possible care for patients in the field of physiotherapy can only be provided by professionals who have completed post-secondary education in the discipline. Physical therapy sessions may be helpful for migraine sufferers. In some cases, a professional physiotherapist may be able to assist to avoid using medication for severe headaches. Massage therapy's calming effects on the muscles could help with migraine pain. A migraine's pain can be lessened with the help of physical therapy by boosting blood flow and decreasing stress. Additionally, endorphins, the body's natural supply of feel-good neurotransmitters, are released in response to this natural cure. Soft tissue mobilization and ultrasound can help patients with arthritic pain, muscle strain/sprain, or tendinitis. These interventions alleviate pain and revitalize health and well-being. Patients suffering from ailments can also benefit from the therapeutic exercise and well-defined plan of action provided by physiotherapists, who help alleviate their agony. A patient recovering from a heart attack or its treatment may benefit from physical therapy. Physical therapy can help people with pulmonary problems live healthier lives by strengthening and conditioning respiratory muscles. When non-surgical methods of treatment have failed, surgical intervention may be the only choice. The early treatment and rehabilitation emphasized by physiotherapy can help avoid this. Pre- and post-operative rehabilitation programs can benefit from its use to lessen the chances of complications. Physiotherapy is extremely helpful in alleviating pain before, during, and after surgical procedures. As a bonus, it reinforces and fortifies the body as a whole. Do you know that physiotherapy makes use of specific exercises and stretches that help with general physical coordination? Therefore, if you are feeling dizzy or vertigo, please contact your physiotherapists. The primary focus of physical therapy is to improve mobility. Anyone who is having problems with basic mobility, such as standing, sitting, walking, or changing positions, can benefit from physiotherapy. Normal mobility can be regained through a variety of stretching and strengthening activities. During your recovery, your physical therapist may advise you to make use of a cane or other mobility aids. As each person's injury or condition is unique, so too is their physical therapy program. At some point, everyone who takes any kind of medication will have a bad reaction to it. Medication is an option for patients who need help controlling or curing their condition. It may be necessary to take the drug on a daily basis to manage the pain in some cases, such as following surgery. We suggest physiotherapy as an alternative because it lessens the need for medicine and its side effects in this context. After a stroke patient has undergone surgery, they need to be carefully monitored and given a thorough rehabilitation program. Physiotherapy is helpful for stroke survivors in regaining movement, coordination, and balance. Physiotherapy is highly useful in these situations since it provides individualized care to increase stamina and alleviate symptoms. In addition to reducing the risk of injury, athletes might gain other benefits from regular physiotherapy sessions. Getting older doesn't always feel like a picnic. There are some significant challenges it poses to regular life. These include conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, sciatica, dementia, chronic pain, the necessity for a replacement knee, etc. To control and manage these diseases, physiotherapy is essential. Patients with diabetes frequently report experiencing knee, shoulder, and back pain. The disruption of the body's sugar balance is a common cause of this. Physiotherapy programs designed specifically for people with diabetes can help reduce their pain. The capacity of these diets to bring down blood sugar levels is an added bonus. While the benefits of physiotherapy to physical health are undeniable, those to mental health are maybe even more significant. Physiotherapy can help to reduce pain and improve mobility by using techniques such as massage, stretches, and exercises to loosen tight muscles and improve flexibility. Physiotherapy can help to improve a person's ability to perform daily activities and return to work or sports after an injury or surgery. Physiotherapy can help to increase range of motion and improve mobility by using techniques such as stretches and exercises to strengthen muscles and improve flexibility. Physiotherapy can help to prevent future injuries by identifying and addressing muscle imbalances and weaknesses that can lead to problems down the line. By helping to improve movement and function, physiotherapy can help to improve a person's overall quality of life and independence. Overall, physiotherapy can be an effective treatment option for a wide range of conditions and can help to improve function, reduce pain, and improve quality of life. Join Shri Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation in Physiotherapy and take the first step toward a successful career in physiotherapy. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a physiotherapist. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.